So Billy, you think Helena's gonna like her present?
Yeah.
What? Really? You think so?
Yeah.
Why? Why do you think?
Because it's a camera. That's what she wants.
Is that really is that really the camera she wants?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I believe you. What's going on YouTube? How y'all doing today? So, events. Me and my little brother are going up to my sister's house because tomorrow we are going to Canada. Before we do that, we actually have a few things to do before we go to my sister's house. And one of the things that we have to do is get our haircuts. And I cannot wait because this right now, looking crazy. Well, I mean, the top I'm probably gonna keep, sides, gone. Just so y'all know, 2 days ago, it was my sister's birthday. Wish her a happy 23rd birthday in the comment below. That would be great. Her name is Helena, so wish her a happy 23rd birthday. One of the things that my sister really wanted her birthday was a DSLR. When I asked her what she actually wanted, she didn't give me no response. She was like, don't even worry about it. I don't want a Christmas present. I don't want a birthday present. You've been through a lot this year. You're good. I took that as, bitch, get me a camera or I'm gonna kill you when you see me. I'm like, I got you. So I bought my sister a camera. Loving brother, brotherly love. Hopefully, my sister loves her birthday present. So, let's get it going. How y'all doing? I'm back. And right now I am in my sister's apartment, waiting for her patiently to come home from work. So I did get my hair cut, and I wanna show y'all. So this is my hair, not much has changed. Only the sides, I got a nice little fade going. Like I told them to keep the top. I'll put my hat back on because it probably looks atrocious right now. I think I'm just gonna give you guys a personal tour of my sister's apartment. But fair warning, it is very, very dirty. Let's get this tour going and I will show you everything they have in this apartment. Not everything, just the essentials. So let's go. So this is their kitchen. Really filthy. I don't know when's the last time they did dishes, but this is their kitchen. This is where they, do all their cooking of their food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, probably snacks, all their protein shakes that they have. They have a ton of shakers. I don't know why. I have a ton. I could give you a close-up right now. So this is their shaker. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shakers. A rice cooker, because we're Asian. This is all their dirty dishes. This is their kitchen, it's pretty much where they cook. Fridge filled of food. In here, their pantry. Look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 more shakers in here. So I think a total of 9 shakers. I don't know why you need that many shakers. I really do not. But that's their kitchen, and we're going to the next one. Oop. So this is their living room. This is where they, they live in. They, watch TV. The boyfriend, Caleb, has all his video games. In there he has, my sister bought him a VR, and I want to test that out because it looks dope when she sent it to me on Snapchat. But that's their living room. Let's go into their bedrooms, which is that way past the kitchen because I started in the kitchen. So let's go to there. So this is my sister's room. This is where me and my little brother will be staying. It's not too bad. The bed's actually pretty comfortable. My sister has 2 TVs over there, but the one doesn't really work. I think it's just used for DVD players. The other one has Netflix on it. I'm not sure if they have cable in here, but I'm only staying here for one night, so it doesn't really matter. But this is her room. It's not. I guess tonight we'll be watching Gotham and cuddling up. Billy, you want to cuddle with me tonight? Just shut me down real quick. Okay, well. Other than that, we are going to the other room to see where my sister and her boyfriend are staying, and hopefully they ain't, yeah.
What's up? What is that?
It's my camera.
What's that thing on top of it?
It's a cat. I killed it.
What the heck?
Yeah, you never seen a cat before?
That's a nice camera.
I know. This is my sister's boyfriend. He's big and black.
That's me.
His name is Caleb. That's who I'm talking about. He's not Asian. His one arm is the size of Billy.
Yeah, give or take.
This is my balloon.
I took it. Unravel your stuff.
You're such a cheap ass. No, you fucking didn't. What? Why did you give me this? What? Yo.
So you happy with your stuff?
Very happy, thank you.
I did a tour of your house and told everybody I'm like, here, I'm gonna be on YouTube. at
How
your
dirty
house.
I am?
Yeah, because I did that. It looks like y'all haven't done dishes in like.
We've
He
been
was
supporting
supposed to
years.
do it.
You know I was at the
I
gym.
know. Please don't put that on YouTube.
What?
How dirty my house is.
No, I'm putting it on there.
No,
You're
don't.
gonna know. Because you've always been a slob.
No, I haven't. Do you see my room?
Caleb disagreed with me. Yes, I do. It's
You're
a
messy
slob.
too, Helena.
Yeah, when
That's not just me.
I'm sick.
You've been sick for one day.
I've been sick for 2 days. What is this?
You're messy
Oh,
the
you
4
have
years
a
before
time
that.
now.
I have to take a picture of this. A picture of a picture of
There's
this. Yo, hello people.
Mission completed. My sister likes her birthday gift. I'm an awesome brother. Am I not? No, I'm not. I'm still horrible. But still, she's about to test it out and I'm about to show her how some of the features work, even though I don't really know much about it. But teach her some of the stuff I've learned, which is not a lot, but it's good enough to start. And then she could use YouTube for the rest. So, hopefully y'all will keep watching. We're about to get some B-roll of my sister cooking food for us. So, let's get it going. Oh,
Stop.
you said it. So we just got done eating dinner. We had egg rolls with noodles and a thing called Nick Mom. Those three together, delicious. Good for tonight. And I will see y'all tomorrow when we start driving up to Canada. So have a good night.
Peace.
So what's going on, y'all? Today we are going to Canada. We're on our way right now. My sister's getting gassed and we just had to do a little pit stop. But before we go to Canada, we're going to this place in Buffalo. Apparently it's the best wing place ever where wings originated. So hopefully y'all enjoy the journey. So let's get it going. So we made our first pit stop in this beautiful scenic view. I'm about to take my drone out and freaking take some nice photos, videos, B-roll footage. My sister just came over here and y'all have to see this. I'll show y'all. Y'all can't see right now because we're kind of from the distance. My drone will show everything, so let's go. So we were riding and I saw this beautiful like lake looking thing. My sister knew about it, like her boyfriend knew about it, and I called him. I was like, yo, can we stop by? Like turn around real quick to get some photos, some drone shots, some amazing, like it looks beautiful. It's called Tioga Hamon Lakes. It was worth being out here in the cold. It was just fun. Right now, my sister and her boyfriend are messing around. Billy, fly out there. No, hold on. And my little brother, as you can see right there, he is playing with the drone and he almost crashed it earlier, so I'm kind of scared. But we're about to be on the road in like 10 minutes and I'll see y'all when we get to Buffalo. So we made it to the Anchor Bar and we're about to eat some delicious wings and I can't wait because it looks so good and it smells scrumptious. So hopefully they can hear me because that's not loud enough. So let's get it going. So we just got done with eating at Anchor's Bar. The wings were delicious. The buffalo sauce was very, very good. I loved it. It was a great pit stop, and now we have to go to one more stop in Buffalo before going up to Canada. And it is to the Cheesecake Factory. Just because my one cousin wants cheesecake, and I'm gonna get it to her because I rarely see her. So, I am Canada ready now. I got the cheesecake. I'm probably gonna eat mine soon. So until then, you probably won't see me until Canada. So yeah. So I'm in Canada now. Finally made it. And yeah. It's gonna be a blast, but it's family time, so I'm gonna let y'all go. And I'll see y'all in the next video. So peace.